आज हम जा रहे हैं नाम्बियार एलिगेंजा। एक बार समझते हैं क्या दे रहा है बिल्डर, कैसा है, चेकआउट करते हैं। चलो। Model apartment is getting ready right now for this villa, and you can see a work is in full fledged as on today. Structure of the villas are almost done, so most probably they should be able to hand over this villa by the last quarter of next year. Each villa has 8 feet of a space between of them, so you have better cross ventilation and lighting. Community looks absolutely amazing. Most of the communities what I pay a visit on 5 crore, 6 crore, I see villa is good, but space compromised hota hai in terms of greenery, in terms of landscaping is get compromised. 3 badminton courts, 3 different swimming pools, a massive clubhouse, what you get with this villa. Let me show you how terrace of this villa looks. If you do not want to host a parties or a get together in a closed environment, you have this space dedicated for you. From the top, this community looks amazing. Typically, most of the villa communities get compromised with a space. When I say space, not inside this villa, space outside. This is the one of the villa I'm seeing into the Bangalore right now, where you have a space dedicated for a beach volleyball even. More than 300 plus trees being planted on this property. Typically, villa concept has come from the US, where you have villa and you have a front yard and backyard, lot of space in between. But if you are looking something like that in India, the cost will be approximately around 25 to 30 crore for that. Within the 6 crore, 7 crore, 8 crore, this is the setup what you get it. The gym if you see and equipments if you see, all are the world class. Typically you find those equipments in the Gold's Gym. This villa community cost you 6 crore onward. It's located off Sarjapura. Spacious villa along with lot more outdoor activities, a space to move around. You can see the road between the villas is 30 feet, 40 feet, and somewhere it goes to 60 feet even. This is the phase 1 where families are already staying. And look at how peaceful it is. If you like a breeze and community which is peaceful, then this is the place for you. You see, right now if you show people walking on the road, you hardly have few families, 200 families in 20 acre of land. Typically when it comes to apartment, you have almost 1500 to 2000 families staying in a one community. And that's what we are paying for this. You're paying 6 crore. It's absolute value for this kind of property, You're not just paying the space inside the villa, you're paying for the community living. You can see there's a basketball court and big lawn area dedicated for people over here to walk around. How beautiful these communities are looking. Wow. Trust me, right now it's 2 o'clock afternoon time and you see the greenery and landscaping and breeze quality as of now. So the property going to shape really beautiful, but you don't need to trust my words. What you have to do it? You have to experience by yourself. Please come, pay a visit, experience this property. To give you a little more understanding on this development, let me take you to the existing property of this developer, Nambiar Balisia. It's an existing property of Nambiar Group, villa community, and you won't believe it, 2011, the same property is sold around 2.5 crore onward. Let's see the development so that you have experience how Eleganza will shape for you. Look at this community, one of the most premium villa community into a Bangalore market. You see the greenery and trees, how beautiful this community has shaped up. Football court inside, open greener community. And will you believe it, 2011 it sold 2.5 crore and today even a smallest villa is going to cost you approximately around 12 crore over here. And look at the community, a true feeling of villa living, 16 to 18 kilometer from outer ring road. Still it's within the city limits, I would say. And if you need this kind of a space and to have this kind of a land parcel, you have to come 16 to 18 kilometer. That's where the land availability is there. 30 crore budget hai, so I would say you will fall in love with this community.